We're in Beveren near Antwerp at the InterSystems European Summit, where I'm talking to Helene Lengler. Welcome, Helene.
Welcome, good to have you.
Could you please tell us something about the new strategy of InterSystems?
Yes, we just launched a new product, the InterSystems Iris Data Platform, and it's really an innovation that supplements the product of family that we already have. People who have worked with InterSystems for a long time know our Caché and Ensemble product, and the InterSystems Iris Data Platform is now supplementing this. So we're not replacing Caché and Ensemble. I can already confirm this to you. This is a question we get very often. So really, we have focused on the new and elements and the innovation that is now needed in today's modern data management elements.
But could you tell us something more about the new Iris platform specifically?
Specifically, I would like to highlight 4 elements that are new in the InterSystems Iris Data Platform. One of them, which I think is very important, is that we have cloud-enabled the InterSystems Iris Data Platform, so you can now easily build containers of your environment, and you can either run this on-premise in your own data center, or you can have that on the cloud with Google or Amazon Web Services or Azure, so the Microsoft infrastructure as a service environments. I think that is very important. The second one is that we have strengthened our analytics capabilities. The InterSystems Iris Data Platform is now really an open analytics backend that we are using. We have interfaces or APIs that support the modern standards around PMML, so we can integrate Spark, or we can integrate products that are supporting unstructured data analysis, like with the UMML standard. So that's important, I think, on the analytics side. The third is that we have improved the way we are handling Java. So we're now having Java sitting on the same machine, sharing the same memory. So this is really strengthening the capability on the Java side, something that our customers and partners have asked for very often in the past. And last but not least, next to the analytics, the cloud, and the Java, we have added the scalability. In the past, what we were really good at with Caché and Ensemble is to be scaling onto bigger machines, so we're scaling up. With the new system, we have a functionality that's called sharding, and this is really where we are scaling out, so that you can use the power of several smaller machines, combining them into what we call a data shard, and that would be a scale-out mechanism for those of our customers and viewers who really know these technological elements of scaling up or scaling out. So we used to do scale up, we're now very good at scaling out with the sharding capabilities. So those, I think, are the 4 main features for the InterSystems Iris Data Platform.
Okay. Traditionally, we've known that InterSystems has a strong presence in healthcare, especially in the Benelux. This is the case. Will there be a focus shift?
I wouldn't call it a focus shift, especially in the Benelux, and I'm also looking after the DACH region, so Germany, Austria, Switzerland. We have in the past been strong in the retail and logistics space, and we're building on that capability very much. So that's one key element. And the other area we're really looking at is using this capability that we have now built into the system in terms of the larger data volumes and also the analytics, is to have a view on what we can do on the Internet of Things side, especially when we talk about many things around predictive maintenance or predictive analytics capabilities. So I think those three will be the key focus areas. We continue on healthcare. We're strengthening the already existing presence, and you'll see that at the event here in the retail space. And we start looking more strongly into predictive analytics and predictive maintenance.
The product portfolio also contains Caché and Ensemble, as you already mentioned. Customers will not need to migrate to Iris, as you stipulated earlier. So
Yes,
what would be the strategy?
Absolutely. I think we will support customers who will be taking advantage of those new features that I was describing. We're, of course, happily supporting those customers going to the new platform. But for those partners or those solutions that are using Ensemble or Caché today, we will be supporting them for as long as it's needed. I mean, InterSystems is nearly 40 years old. I've been told, and I've only been here 15 months, so senior management has told me that we've never left a customer behind, and we're still supporting some very old legacy products, and we expect to do the same with Caché and Ensemble. For as long as our customers really need this, there will be support for those products, and we're also continuing to develop for those platforms, but of course the core focus will be the new platform, the InterSystems Iris Data Platform.
Okay. Well, thank you very much, Helene.
Thank you for having me.
Okay.